Pulse is called Nadi, and Nadi is Nadi, the river, and Nadi also the string or a strand. It is a strand of eternity. And Nadi is a constant, continuous flow of your consciousness. So whole your life secret is there within the secrets of the pulse. Because pulse is the impulse of life. Though pulse is directly connected to the cardiovascular system and the heart rate and pulse rate, if heart rate is fast, pulse rate is fast. If pulse is irregular, heart rate is irregular. So pulse, though it is intimately connected to the cardiovascular system, but that cardiovascular system is carrying the nutrition, the oxygen, the plasma, the serum to every part of the single cell. Therefore, through Nadi, we will understand the secrets of our original Prakriti, the constitution. Second, we will understand the present status of your consciousness, which is Vikruti, the present altered status of the dosha. We can learn about Manas Prakriti, your psychological constitution, through the pulse. And we can also understand your present altered status of the thinking, feeling and evaluation. Every organ has a pulse. And through pulse we can understand the condition of Ojas, Tejas, Prana. But there are different avenues, different layers, different levels of pulse, different spike. Because all these 7 dhatus, molecules are circulating throughout the body. So there is a dhatu pulse. All Vata, Pitta, Kapha, they are circulating throughout the body. So there is a pulse for dosha, Vata spike, Pitta spike, Kapha spike. And not only that, through the pulse, Prana, Vyana, Udan, Apan, Pachak, Ranjak, Sadak, Alochak, Bhrajak, and Tarpak, Bodhak, Avalambak, Kledak and Sleshak. All these molecules of subtype of the dosha, they are circulating through the pulse. So there, through the pulse, we will understand the evaluation of subdoshas. So, learning the pulse is a very ancient secret. And through pulse, you will understand the present status of the dosha, Prakriti, Vikruti, subtype, Ojas, Tejas, Pran, Manas Prakriti, Manas Vikruti, and condition of the organ. Amazing. If you master the pulse, pulse will reveal all these secrets under the tip of the finger. That is why pulse is called lifograph. Pulse is called Vedograph. So some people call Vedagraph. Vedagraph. Veda means knowledge. What knowledge you get, pulsation of pulse under the tip of the finger, the rate, rhythm, volume, tension, force and condition of the vessel wall, all that reveals very interesting. And when you feel the pulse and there is a beaded appearance, that is a sign of microaneurysm in the brain. So dear friend, pulse is a very fascinating topic, but like an innocent child, go step by step, and we are going to come to your level and take you to the higher level. Because reading pulse is a journey of consciousness from material pulsation to the psychological emotion to the spiritual awakening. Because there is a Guru Nadi and there is also Padma Nadi. Whether person is enlightened or not, you can feel through the pulse. So pulse has multi-dimensional perception, and you can jump into the ocean of pulse because pulse is very deep and pulse is very superficial. So we need a proper teacher, proper guidance to understand all these subtleties of the pulse. And in Ayurveda, there is Ashtavida Pariksha. Nadi Mutram Malam Jivma Shabdasparsham Durgakruti. Nadi is the first examination. Nadi means pulse. And by reading the pulse, you will understand pathophysiological changes that are happening. And even the effect of medicine through the pulse. So pulse is the impulse of life. Namaste.